Creative. Today I want to teach you guys how to insert image into a text in Microsoft Word. So we will start by going to our insert so that we can get our text box. We go to insert shapes, our text box, and we are going to draw our text box. So we are going to write the text that we want to insert image on. So this is the text that I write design. So I want to enlarge the font and I want to change the font. So I want to enlarge it very well. This is the text that we want to insert image on. So after we have write our text, so we are going to create Control N. We are going to create a new page. Control N, and this is our new page. So we are going to go to insert, going to screenshot, and we are going to click on screen clipping. So it is going to take it to our previous page that we write the text that we want to insert our image on, and we are going to screenshot it. So when we screenshot it, the text will change to an image, and it will be on our previous Word document. This is it. This is the one that I use the text box to write, and this is the one that I use screen clipping or that I screenshot. This is it. It has turned to an image. It has turned to image, and this one is text. So we are going to maybe delete this one and focus on. We are going to delete this one and focus on the one that has become image. And when we click on it, on our title bar, our picture format will show. And when we click on our picture format, we will go to color, and we are going to choose set transparent color. And when we choose our set transparent color, we are going to click on any letters on our image, and it will turn to white. Something like this, it will turn to white. So after then, we are going to go to insert so that we can go and find our image from our desktops or from where we save it, the image we want to input in the text. And we are going to go to maybe picture from file. So we are going to find the picture that we want to use. So let's use maybe this picture of a 3D car. So this is the picture that we want to use. So when you click on the picture, go to wrap text and choose behind text. So when you choose behind text, when you drag the picture to the image, you can see it has been showing the picture on the image. So we can drag it very well. You can see the image is now attached on the text, and we can now zoom it very well. You can zoom it very well. You can zoom it very well so that you can attach on the image. You can zoom it very well by clicking on the edges. You can see our text has moved from this normal design to this text with image. Thanks so much for watching this amazing episode. And if you want more video like this, you can click on subscribe button and on your notification on, so that any videos that I posted, you can easily see it and have access to it. Thanks so much.